Guys, I'm doing a short video here on I'm gonna grease the bearings in a 21 KRX 1000. I was gonna film the whole thing, but as you can imagine, the axle nut was a pain to get off and the hub was a pain to get off. So the right side is regular left-handed or right-hand threads, so you just loosen that. The passenger side is left-handed threads. So you got to take this cover off to get to the bolt for the radius rod. There's two Phillip head screws. You don't need to take the bottom one out. And there's a Phillip head screw for the brake line bracket that needs to be taken out. God damn. Oh, fuck me. Oh. God damn. I got this little bearing greaser from Access UTV. I'll put about 4 pumps in there and check it. Do one more.